Hey guys, Ivan here from Bardeen community. So today I'm gonna do a very simple use case to get used to the scraper and how it works in a general level. I'm gonna scrape a directory of communities called Unito that is launching today in Product Hunt. So big shout out to them. And I want to get data about what are the no-code communities in the market. And I want to build a scraper to get data from all of these into a Google Sheet. This will be a very simple automation that can be evolved in time. So I'm going to build it right now with you on this video. So I'm going to open Bardeen and I'm going to create a new playbook and I'm going to scrape data on the active tab. So here I need to create a new scraper template that will basically tell Bardeen what are the parts of the page that I want to select. I'm going to select a list type of scraper and I'm going to name this Unito Communities. Perfect. Now I'm going to locate two different items on different rows. So the names, and I'm going to select what kind of pagination this website has. In this case, it's a click type of pagination, and this is the click button. Now I'm going to select items from this page. I'm going to check the name. I'm going to check the description. I want to get the logo as an image. And this gets me the URL of this image. I want to get the link to the full page, text here. This is perfect. The last field I'm going to get is the directory URL just to get the original URL. And now I'm going to save this scraper template and I'm going to continue building my automation. So now I have the scraper template and the number of items I want to extract. I want to be asked about this when I run it. So I'm going to specify that I want to be asked every time. How many items max? I'm going to name my input that way. And I'm going to create my new action that would be adding the data to Google Sheets. Add rows to Google Sheet. And I'm going to be asked every time about which Google Sheet. And this way we can quickly get results from the scraper. So the data for this action will be the data from action 1. And that way we're adding rows to a new Google Sheet or an existing one that we'll specify when we run the automation, and we're filling it with the data from the scraper. So this is a very simple use case, 2 actions. Let's try to run it. So save communities in Google Sheet. Unita in Google Sheet. It's done, and let's run this. So how many items do I want to get maximum? Just for the sake of the quickness, I'm going to get 5 items, and I'm going to create a new Google Sheet with the name of No Code Communities. Now I'm going to run this. So this is our first try. Let's see the results. Perfect. Now we got the Google Sheet with the scrape data. Okay, so we got some results here. We can see that the platform and participants, it's something that can be improved, and this can be improved through advanced selectors. And we got the categories here that are also kind of repeating themselves. So from here, we can improve this automation. So for instance, we can go to the URL of each community and scrape information even further. So this is called a deep scraper, but we will not get into this. So this is the example for today. Now I'm going to run this again. with all of my list of 30 results. So let's run it again. I'm gonna get 30 and I'm gonna add it to my no code communities database. Perfect. And this should be running over all of the results of Unita and getting me here all of the data that we needed. So we got some repeated data, and here we go. We got the 30 results. We got the logo, the link, the description. If we want to see the preview, so image, you can have a preview of the logo. Pretty cool. And this is good enough for me to, for instance, share it with my no-coder friends, or just to have map data about what are the no-code communities out there. Okay, this is the example for today. Obviously, it can be evolved in different ways, but this is a quick 5-minute example of how to use the scraper on directories.